ते बॉम्बे शिफ्ट जाला आयकपाक येता सो अशें जाल्यार लायक कितले गोंया खातीर हें जातलें
सी सनबर्न गोंया सोडून थिंगा शिफ्ट जाला म्हणजे तेणी एक असं हें येयला आयज भायर म्हणजे मिडियाचेर येयला. आय वील ऑल्सो फायंड आवट एंड आय वील टॉक टू द प्रमोटर्स ऑफ सनबर्न टू सी हाव whether they have already finalized or what is the scope, whether we are going to get the opportunity to have sunburn in the state of Goa, and especially at Vagator. Location was always great, and because of that location we had lot of economic activity which has helped the people of Goa. Businessmen जे सगळे आसले थिंगा not only in Anjuna Vagator Sapana but elsewhere in Kalangut constituency, in Morje, Mandre, Arambol, Keri, all local people who are doing various types of activities were always busy in all for 1 week. Sunburn जाता म्हणून एक वीक सारखे सगळे बिझी असतात. So it is a good activity which happens in the state of Goa. Goa, brand Goa also goes up. Sunburn म्हणजे brand Goa आहाच right on top, but with sunburn included in that, it really shines up.
पण तुम्ही उलयतले तेंच्याकडे आता ट्राय करतले
I will try to talk to them because I know them. I will tell tourism minister Mohan Bab also to talk. I will tell CM also to intervene. If brand आमचा गोवा जो हा for tourism, Sunburn can incorporate over there, and finally he should be also given one single window. Single window means one NOC. With that everything, all the other departments should take care of it. म्हणजे तेका वेगवेगळे सगळे जाता तो बेजार जाल्लो कित्याक तेका वेन्यूवाचो खूब त्रास जाता. पेमेंट आसलो वेन्यूवाचो तो वाडयलो तेजो. इट वॉज वन स्पेसिफीक अमावंट, देन नेक्स्ट इयर इट वॉज मेड सो मच मोर. One crore 50 lakhs. It should not go up so much all of a sudden.
सो फायनल जाल्यार
People
तेका
should know, understand, or even कोमनीदाद अंजनाजी तेणी अंडरस्टँड जावपाक जाय की एमावंट कितलो पासून आमी वाडयतले आनी तेका एक 3 yearsंक तो दिवपाक जाय एमावंट विथ द इन्क्रीज ऑफ 10% or whatever it is. Whatever they finalize, I am nobody to say, but not so much that he says no to it and he goes to Pendne. Last time he went to Pendne, धुल्ल्यान गेलो हायवेच्या सायडीक गेलो थिंगा काय जावंक कोण लोक ना. So only locals were seen over there mostly, hardly 1 or 2,000 3,000 some Indian crowd.
सो ते लोकेशन सुटेबल नाशिल्ले म्हणून
75,000 people come for Sunburn on day 2, and day 3 around 1 lakh. So 1 lakh tourists is lot of tourists. So we have to understand that. In that around 15,000 आमचे लोकल असतात जे लास्ट डे फ्री तिकेट म्हणून दिता पळय ती फ्री पास सॉरी 15,000 17,000 17,000 लोकल 1,20,000 crowd. So 1 lakh people who are in the venue are the tourists, Indian as well as foreign tourists. It's a big name for Goa, and it's a Goa which is a destination by itself shines more
गेल्या वर्सा
on
झालो
the international platform.
गेल्या वर्सा जो
Because this festival is not local, it's an international festival. And for this international festival, people from all parts of the world they come over here for this Sunburn event.
सो सनबर्न भायर वचप म्हटल्यार गोवा एक लॉस कशें न्हू कित्याक
There will be a loss for Goa, and we need to see that we can re-talk to them, renegotiate to them, simplify the difficulties what they were facing, especially the venue, price of venue, and also the government fees, whatever is there. One sort of consolidated figure with the venue figure of 3 days plus 1 month, whatever they to do the arrangement for the venue, the rental fees of 1 month plus 3 days the main event, and also the government charges should be given as consolidated, because we have to all think that the revenue is not for only government, revenue is for everyone. The money which comes in for the event is for everyone. सगळे कोण चायेचें दुकान घातलां तोय 4 पयशे करतलो, मोटरसायकल पायलटूय करतलो, थिंगा टॅक्सीवालोय करतलो, रेंट अ बायक, रेंट अ कार, सगळे आहा तितले बिझनसमॅन बारीक 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 पयशे करतले तेजेर. आनी आमी हें चिंतपाक जाय की बारीकतल्या बारीक धंदेकार थिंगासर जो ऑमलेट पाव घेवन बसता और एक भाजी पाव घेवन बसता थिंगा भायर, जो क्रू जो आसता तेंचो तेंकां विकता ते, वो खानावळ जी आहा भायर थिंगा 1,000 1,500 लोक काम करता थिंगा सनबर्न इव्हेंटाकूय काम करता आनी एलायड एक्टिविटीज जे आसता थिंगा तेंकां काम करता. 1,500 लोकांक जेवण दिवचें पडटा थिंगा. सो आमच्या लोकलांक थिंगासर धंदो जाता.
पूण आतां सद्या आमी टुरिजम देंवले म्हणटा ते आतां समज हो
सनबर्न गेले जाल्यार-
सनबर्न आतां ऑलरेडी गेला न्हू, सो आतां
वसोंक ना, वी कॅन स्टील टॉक, रिनिगोशिएट, रिटॉक, रिडू, वर्कआउट मॉडेलिटीज टू
वर्कआउट केला येवपाक शकता म्हणटा तुमी.
सी गोवा इज अ ब्रँड. See that DY Patil Stadium or कितें आहा पळय तो, that is not a brand. That is stadium for games or some event of
Events.
international standard, like some
Cricket.
international band coming to play. Sunburn is about all the DJs playing from different parts of the world and even from India. So people would love them playing at the beach side,
सो ह्या फाटी समज
at a destination.
सनबर्न परत येना जाल्यार ह्या डिसेंबरान आनी टुरिजम देंवतलें कशें
No, we will have to see for some other festival.
टुरिजम
दुसरे फेस्टिवल येवचे पडटले न्हू, लायक सनबर्न. बट वी विल, बिकॉज सनबर्न हॅज बिकम अ ब्रँड, सो लेट्स ट्राय टू ब्रिंग दॅम बॅक.
ते येना